Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Mike, aka North Established, and today we're going to be testing out the Tamron 28-75mm at f2.8 aperture. This lens is a rental. I wanted to try this lens out for the Sony E mount. But yeah, so today it's a little bit of a different video because today the studio is closed because of Easter week. So yeah, I'm filming my intro outside, which is cool. It's actually a really nice day out today, and you know, it's what more better than to go out on a nice spring day for some street photography, you know. But if you're looking for this POV, guys, go ahead and hit that like button down below. Subscribe if you are new, if you haven't already. I make new videos every single week. But enough of me talking, let's get shooting. You're good, go ahead. Ooh, yo, this lens is super wide. Oh man. Remember, guys, use your surroundings. There we go. Oh God, it's so beautiful today. So beautiful. The leaves are coming out. It's noisy as ever. Yep. I want to see if I can get a picture of the Freedom Tower with the leaves here. Oh yeah, there we go. That's beautiful. I want to get the leaves in focus first. Oh, nice. And let's get the Freedom Tower in focus. Oh, that's so beautiful. Let's see something quick. Oh, there we go. Let's tilt up a little bit. Oh, look at that, man. Look at that. Look at that shot. So gorgeous. And let's have the leaves in focus again. Nice. Oh, I love it. Oh, I freaking love it, man. Freaking love it. Alright. Ooh, listen to this. Hold on. A little closer. You're good. Thank you. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, here. I want to come back here. Look at this. Oh man, look at this. I'm gonna shut it up a little bit more. Let's bring it up to 320. Yeah. I'm gonna get the Freedom Tower soon. And for the reflection, I can just basically fix it in Lightroom. It's very simple. That's a nice shot. I want to come back here at night and get some sick long exposure shots with the traffic and the Freedom Tower in the background. It's gonna look really nice. So beautiful. You see, let me zoom in, see how sharp this is. I see a shot. I see a shot. Can I get to it? Can I get to it? Get to it? Hold on. I see a great shot. Do you guys see it? Do you guys see it? Oh my god, I need to get this shot. Ma'am, do not move. Cool, I got it. Oh, got it. Whew. Hope I don't drop this camera in the water. Here's how you can be sneaky. Sit right here. People's gonna think that I'm doing nothing in particular. So, the thing is that people are in my shot. I'll say, like, don't be afraid to take a shot, you know. You're just thinking like, oh man, like, just, it could be kind of daunting to like take pictures of strangers, you know. And it's just, you're kind of scared and nervous of like how people will react to it, or when people see you take a picture of them. It's like I'll admit, you know, for me personally, when I first got started, you know, it was kind of nerve-wracking to do it, but you just gotta have to, you know, just do it, you know, because at least over time you'll get better at it. And if they see you and they say, hey, can you do the picture, then you'll be confident enough to like, no, fine, whatever, it's just a picture, I'll delete it, sure, you know. So just put it into practice every shoot, so you don't have to feel nervous every single time. Oh, here we go. See, this is a nice spot. See that? Use a foreground, use something to help frame your subjects. Helps a whole lot. See, this is a nice spot. See that? Use a foreground, use something to help frame your subjects. Helps a whole lot. All right, so now we got the Viltrox 85mm lens on. And this lens, no words. So good, just so good. Look at this, like, look at the sunset here, dude. It's amazing. Actually, do some leading lines here. Let's get this here. It's just so easy. It's just that easy. Like, I didn't even care if he turns around either. Like, it's just that easy. I'm using 85mm here, so I'll set back a bit. That is so sharp. Oh, that is sharp. You know, from the picture, it's gonna be like a little bit far still, but I'm just gonna crop that in the edit so you guys can really see. Oh, but that's a great shot. That looks amazing. Really good shot here. Gotta be right behind him. Get the shot though. Center though. That's a great shot.